Hi, Missy. It's clear that you connected with our writing prompts this week. It just seems like you were having a really good time with these two poems, which is something that I absolutely love to see. Um, Looking at your first, I will say you had asked, it was tricky to find a rhythm, and then you were wondering about the last lines and the repetition. I like the repetition of black and gold too. Um, it was very clear to me that you were talking about the Bruins, of course, from the title and from the details you included. But I didn't pick up on the marathon together. Um, I did see, hear about the bombs exploding and in the face of injury and hospital beds and gowns, but I associated those things with perhaps fights on the ice. So, if you want to make it clear that you're talking about the Boston Marathon and the tragic events that happened a few years ago, you might want to include a few more details, like about runners, about indications that would separate it from a hockey game. In terms of your second poem, I just got such a kick out of this one. I really did. I think it's funny and charming. So I don't have a whole lot of criticism. But when you talk about describing the pizza without describing a pizza, was it successful, or is there anything I could do you could blend a little better? Um, I mean, it's clear to me that you're comparing a pizza to a face. I think that gets across really well. And then my favorite part of the pizza was when you were discussing the different reds. So bare, but for the splatter of not an angry red, but a friendly, inviting red. There was something about that I found really charming. So thank you so much for your work this week. And I look forward to seeing where you go with these.